May 22, 2024 at Ogbomosho Palace, Abata, Soun of Ogbomosho. Enough is enough. We thank the August media practitioner for honoring our invitation despite the short notice to the city of Ogbomosho. We welcome you warmly. The 5 ruling houses of the imperial dynasty of Soun are Aburumaku, Bagun, Laoye, Bolanta, and Odunaru, and we represent members of these ruling houses. We are concerned to create the forum in order to address an issue of public importance. It is the grave matter of the Chief Imam of Ogbomosho, which has become festering and has polarized the Muslim community and indeed the whole community of Ogbomosho. Initially, we took it with a pinch of salt that it will fizzle out naturally on the basis that it is a religious matter, and we expect to have the fear of God. With the fear of God, it will fizzle out. We are beheaded and alarmed by the lies being peddled by the chief imam on the matter, and more importantly, this dragging the Soun Alayeluwa Ọba Gandhi Adeoye the third, the Soun of Ogbomosho, into the matter and abusing the Kabiyesi. This will take being peddled and to warn the chief imam to desist from further calling invective on the Kabiyesi by abusing the Oba. He is discrediting the stool, the throne of Soun. Imam Ayélujára family alleged he is not a bona fide member of their family, and to this, Kabiyesi set up different panels to look into it. The recommendation of the different panels is that he should step aside while he sorts out the matter with the family. The Kabiyesi refused to implement the recommendation after some eminent personalities, including Senator Adeoye and Dr. Saka Balogun, appealed on his behalf that they should be given 7 days, which took effect from October 23, 2023, to make amends, but up to date, they never returned. However, instead of the matter to fade away, it is being exhibited by the chief imam himself, as he refused to toe the path of peace. Rather, is promoting lies and more discrediting is the abusing of the Kabiyesi. Not only that, he instituted court cases against the son and the son in council. This has never happened in the history of Ogbomosho land, that a chief imam will sue Soun in a law court. The insults against the Kabiyesi are with his family, as it has nothing to do with our Kabiyesi. Among the people. Moreover, all the recent appointments he made are null and void because he never obtained the approval of the Soun in accordance with custom and tradition. For him to have taken Soun to court is sacrilegious. However, how can you sue someone who installed you? Soun suit has nothing to do with whether you are a Christian or a Muslim. It is an institution, and that this institution transcends such absurdity. Finally, we reaffirm the Ogbomosho Central Mosque is the property of Soun. It belongs to the king. We reiterated the Soun ruling houses, expressed disapproval to the impudent act of the chief imam, which in affirmation of sanctity of the throne of our forefather. However, we say considered by the court cases. We are constrained by the court cases, and we await the verdict of the different cases. In the interim, we refuse to be distracted, to be drawn to Thank you, and God bless you.